Asset Sora and Saki, which is located right on Hennur Bagalur Road. And also the best part about this project is that in the whole locality, this is the only premium luxurious project which is going to offer you premium 3 and 4 BHK exclusive apartments. There is a lot more that I need to tell you about that project, but I don't think I want to tell you that over here. I think I would like to take you inside the sales office first and then inside the model flat. So follow me into the sales office so that I can show you a little more about the project. And here we are inside the grand sales office of this grand project. Well, Sora and Saki, as I told you, is a premium project, and this is the project's 3D model. The whole land parcel is of approximately 11 acres, and these are the 5 towers which are going to be 3 BHK, and these 2 towers are going to be exclusive 4 BHK apartments. This frontage that you can see in the grey is going to be a 50,000 retail unit, and this is the main entrance to that. Now let's take a quick look at the amenities. This is the basement parking which is right at the entrance of the grand project, and here we enter into the spacious and green amenity area. This is the basketball court, they have a soccer court, they have a tennis court, and also kids play area, and this is the clubhouse over here with an open amphitheater and also a gracious swimming pool. Now you can already see the greenery that is surrounding the whole project, but what is more important is that this project actually dictates elegance. This is timelessness which is shown in the model flat, and I want to show you one of them. Stay tuned with me because I'm going to take you right into sophistication. Let's go and see this. And this is the 2,166 square feet 4 BHK apartment. Now this literally defines luxury and serenity at the same time. Here is your living and dining area, and then we have bedrooms which are located on one side of the house and on the other side of the house. So first of all, let's take a good look at your living and dining area so that then I can show you the kitchen. And here I am in the kitchen already. The kitchen is an open space. They haven't given any walls so that there is no obstruction and the kitchen feels more spacious. This is your island, your service table, and here is your kitchen table, the work table. This is an L-shaped granite that ends at your vegetable sink. And this over here is your utility area that has your utensils sink. Along with that, inside the kitchen itself, they have provided extra provision for your dryers and for your washing machines as well. And here I am at the entrance of the guest bedroom. Now the best part about the bedrooms is that the flooring changes and this becomes wooden finished ceramic tiles which give it that extra beautiful touch. Let's come inside and take a look at this bedroom. Now the bedroom comes with a very big window over here which are also provided with a wooden frame, and half of it is fixed, which gives the feeling of a standing balcony, as I would love to call it. These windows open in a sliding way and they come with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Now here is the attached toilet and wash to this particular bedroom. The CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings, and you can already see that the dry and wet areas are separated by different tiles also. Moving back into the house, here we are back into the living and dining area, and through this foyer area we're going to move into the rest of the house. Now here is the first common area of the house, that is the common toilet and bath, which also comes with the similar kind of tile differentiation that we had already seen. And here is the next bedroom of the house. Again, the tiles change over here, and now this bedroom has another speciality that I really like. It has a special provision over here because this is the kids' bedroom. There's a special provision over here for your tables or your workstations, or you can also use it for a wardrobe. But for the wardrobe, again, they have provided a space over here which is of approximately 2.5 to 3 feet of depth, wherein you can have your wardrobes. Now along with that, to make the room more ventilated and more well lit, they have again provided a window over here, the similar wooden frames and also toughened glass sliding windows with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Now it's time to move into the rest of the bedrooms of the house. So through the common foyer area, we're going to walk right into the next bedroom of the house, which is the third bedroom of the house. Now again, this bedroom also comes over here with the similar kind of space, which is of approximately 2.5 to 3 feet of depth for your wardrobes. And also, because this is the final bedroom of the house before the master bedroom, it comes with an attached toilet and wash as well. And here is the attached toilet and wash to it, which again comes with the tile differentiation for the shower areas and for the rest of the bathroom. These are anti-skid tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings are of premium fitting as well. Along with that, the similar tall window that allows in ample lighting and the perfect ventilation with the half sliding windows. And here is the master bedroom of the house. Again, the flooring changes. Now this flooring, if you notice, is a little more designer tiles as compared to the other bedrooms. Come inside, let me show you some more about this bedroom. Of course, now because this is the master bedroom, it had to have an attached toilet and wash to it, which is right over here. Let's take a look at this one. And in case you are wondering where I am right now, this space is your walk-in wardrobe. Of course, it had to be such luxurious because this is the master bedroom of the house, but yet there is another point of luxury. Once you are done checking out the walk-in wardrobe, then I'm going to show you something very special about the master bedroom. And that is this balcony. Now with these wooden frames, this is not just a window, it's a complete balcony that comes over here again with these wooden finished ceramic tiles which have a long life even despite the Bengaluru rains, and the balcony is covered from 3 sides and it comes with this iron railing as well. Now, in case you are wondering that there should be another element to the house, there's something missing, right? Even I feel so, but I have kept it as a surprise for you. Follow me back into the living and dining area so that I can show you the best part about the house, the part that I really loved a lot. And let me show you the beautiful balcony of the house. Now with these wooden frames and sliding doors that also have a pre-fitted mosquito net, we're gonna go in the balcony. Let's go and take a dip right into nature in an uber and luxurious manner. Now this is your balcony that comes with this railing over here. It is covered from the top, and also it comes with these wooden finished ceramic tiles. And in case you are wondering what am I doing sitting over here, I'm going to take a dip right into nature over here, and very soon I'm going to tell you what exactly you have to do if you want to visit this place and book the apartment. Now that you've seen the property and you have come back over here, I am sure that's because you need to know how to go ahead with the booking process. Just a second, I'm going to tell you. It's very simple. If you can see the caption, in the caption there is a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on the link and we will guide you through the rest of the process. How? Well, our salesperson will get in touch with you immediately and then help you do a physical site visit of the property with a free cab service. And then not just one, you can also visit multiple properties in one day so that you don't have to waste your time. Now this is Bengaluru and we know the traffic, so we don't want to waste your time. We don't want to waste your energy. In fact, we want you to buy your house at ease, simply and without any brokerage also. So that's what we are here for. Property Cloud is at your service. All you need to do is simply click on the link below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.